up, everyone? Okay, so today we're going to just go over how to do a memory test, a RAM test. So you might want to do this when you run into unexpected problems, like system crashes, application crashes, even if you start your computer or you put in temporary data somewhere and all of a sudden it crashes and disappears. So this is just one way to troubleshoot what's going on. Um, and yeah, Windows don't really tell you that there's a problem with your RAM or something. So this is just a good example on how to troubleshoot it. So first things first, um, Windows has a built-in memory test feature. So we can just hit the search button, go to Windows Memory Diagnostic. Yeah, I think this is the correct one. There we go. Okay, so here it's basically straightforward. It does it all by itself. You can choose the first one. Your computer do need to restart for the test to run. I'm not going to do this now. I'll show you a video afterwards on how it looks. But I already did this test. It takes quite a while depending on your RAM and what you do have available. So yeah, I already did it. So, and to get your results, you'll restart or you get a notification, or you can just go to Event Viewer. Okay. Once you're on Event Viewer, you can just go to Windows Logs, and System. And here you want to scroll down until you see, let's just make this a bit smaller, until you see Windows Memory Diagnostic Results. So I did it 2 days back, but yeah, you can just double click on this and you'll get a dialog like this. The Windows Memory Diagnostic tested the computer's memory and detected no errors. Okay, so, and obviously this is the other one because I have 2 RAM modules installed, and the same with this one. Also, nothing wrong. Okay, so usually I did have a case in the past where there has been an issue and this resolved the problem. So you can also see a bunch of useful information. So yeah, just a good way to test your memory or your RAM. Yeah, because there's not always a way to have a look at it. So after this, I'll just show you how it looks when it's running the test.